Predictive's newest release of the Win-Loss Bid Predictor provides a visual interactive experience to expertly analyze and perfect data rapidly, enabling companies to make better decisions and increase their chance of winning bids. The Predictor comes equipped with a machine learning model, calibrated with historical data, and automatically accounts for the vast array of variables that are involved in creating a bid. The model captures the previously untapped patterns from each of the many variables in every historical bid, both won and lost, and uses them to predict future bid outcomes. Seamlessly run what-if scenarios to fine-tune the parameters of a bid and maximize both your chance of winning and your profit margins. I'm putting together a bid for a truck, and I'm not completely sure of the quote I've prepared so far. I've taken some time and put in the initial values for both high priority as well as low priority features, and I'm ready to receive an initial prediction. We classify a quote as a win when it is above a 50% chance, so a 42% chance is close, but it's still not a winning quote. Prior to using the predictor, the first thing I would do would be to adjust the price, but that isn't a good recipe for long-term success. This chart gives me a good starting place to help identify the areas where I can improve my quote and gives me guidance on what to focus on. We've learned from using the predictor that the people assigned to a quote can have a huge impact on our winning chance. I noticed from this feature importance plot that while our specific dealership is a strong positive factor in our winning chance, the group of salespeople assigned to the quote is in the top 3 negative pulling features. I know that we have room to move around salespeople within our dealership, so I'll start by reassigning the quote to a more experienced person who has completed the specialty training that corresponds with this truck in the quote. I can easily go into the high priority menu and alter these 3 variables to see if that'll increase our chance of winning the bid. Now, a 92% chance is just a little bit higher than a 50% chance, so I feel pretty good about calling this a secure bid. I can save this quote for later by downloading it, along with any of the previous runs I've tried, so that we can review all of the changes made if necessary. The price simulation shows how the quote's probability varies as the price is changed, so that you can confidently select the optimal price for the final quote. We can see our current price here as the vertical dotted line, and we can also see that even if we dropped the price by $20,000, the probability would only increase by about 0.7%. On the other hand, increasing the price by $30,000 would decrease our probability by less than 1%. The price simulator is a great tool to help identify the optimal price that gives you the maximum profit while keeping your winning profitability high. I'm happy with the price where it is, but just in case you want to make additional edits to it and see if the probability will change, you can go into the high priority, add in your edits, and run the quote as many times as you'd like. If I've made any changes that are worth keeping, I can download the run history just like we downloaded the run history in the single quote probability. The Win-Loss Predictor lets you take the guesswork out of the bid process and opens the door to new possibilities for successful bid creation, eliminating the need to rely solely on price adjustments. Whether you're preparing a single quote, multiple quotes, or looking for a price evaluation, the predictor illuminates the most direct path to a winning bid, so you can stop taking shots in the dark for which components to modify safely. From all of us here at Predictive, thank you for your time, and we can't wait to help transform your business goals into reality.